It's officially ours.
Yay!
And we just drove up here so we can start taking some bushes out for where the house is gonna go. So,
Enjoy the show.
hopefully that will have a good view of us working. Kind of far away, but
You might want to point it more.
I think so. Got a wide angle. Since it's a little bit better light today than last night, we did get majority of the pad all cleaned up. We were going to bring the tractor down, but we need to get a new battery for it, and we don't have our trickle charge with us. It's in storage somewhere, so it won't turn over right now. But I've got a lot of the pad cleared out and got to get the rest of it cleared out. So we'll probably be going back and forth between the well house and the pad to show progress. All right, well, I'm going to work up here and I'll go down there and check on you. I don't have anything to set this on.
My glass zone.
I know. Looks good though.
Yeah. Hey, look at this. Over in that corner.
Okay.
Pick it out. We got a cement pad under here.
Oh, that's good. Because you were thinking you were going to have to pull all this up.
Yep, I thought it was all dirt.
No, that's good.
It's not as much rat shit as I thought, but that dude loved gloves.
Yeah.
All right.
The SD card ran out of memory yesterday, so I didn't get all of what we did yesterday. But we have cleared out most of this. So I just gotta kind of finish the rest of it. Oh, it sounds like the neighbor's back early today. See, I don't know if you can see on the camera, you can see all the steam coming off of the grass, maybe. So, got pretty much the rest of that to pull out. Not too many more of the bushes. I got to pull some piles over. And then I've got to get the front area. Okay, so we just picked up the tractor from my sister's, got a new battery in it, and we are currently taking it over to our new property. It's gonna take a minute. It's a little old thing. Okay, so we made it across the freeway. It was just an intersection we had to cross. Doing pretty good. I'm following with my hazard lights. It's a beautiful day up on our Twin Pine land, and we made it. Everything's good to go. We need to fix the brakes on it. The brakes are kind of shoddy.
Pretty bad.
But picking it up for $3 grand. I know it's old and it's gonna need some work. It's diesel.
Yeah, Aaron.
But everything should go good with it. That it's diesel and there's no like super high-tech stuff on it, and it's old school, it should be easy to fix and pick up parts for it. Yay! Man, it is beautiful out here today. We have so many piles. So this is what we did yesterday, cleared out all of this. And here's the big pile. We need to get some burn buckets up here, or burn barrels. So today we'll be getting out the wood chipper and chipping down some of this stuff, and possibly getting to the rest of this, maybe. Jeremy wants me to wait on that because we have so much other piles to have to manage right now. This pad is just getting bigger and bigger once we clear things out. This is probably where the garden's gonna go. Man, over in that little cranny, the shop, in that first part I got, that's where the house should go. And we'll still have a lot of room up here to drive around and do cement pads or whatever. All right, I'm not gonna have this run all day today. So, till next time. We're teaching the kids. They're finally up here. We got enough work for them to do now. So they get to do the grunt work. Just got done teaching them how to use it. Don't be daring. So their job is to feed the wood chipper. Just throw to the side! Or not. So that's their job. I don't think that's gonna work, Lyra. So they got a lot of work to do. They got that whole bush, that bushel, and you guys have seen the other ones. That one, and then that big old pile over there. Javen's learning how to drive the tractor.
And can you do a video for me too? Can I drive it?
Hopefully it doesn't get too close to that cliff down there.
He's not. Dad won't let him.
You want me to record you doing it too?
Yeah.
She's gonna crash it. She is still gonna crash it.
Are you gonna, did you drop it on purpose? Did it just break?
I don't think so.
If it did, it's fine. We can always fix it. No, I pushed on the down pedal at the same time. Put my foot on the pin.
Oh, okay.
That was cool.
Lyra's turn. Okay, Lyra's turn. Don't wiggle around too much.
She's driving. Oh, she's gonna crash. I told you. She's driving like a madman.
I'm just gonna turn this whatever way.
I gotta turn. I gotta constantly be turning. I hope it's recording fine. I'm holding it as if it would be. Up. Don't run into the car! She's coming for us! She's coming for us! Stop! Stop! She's gonna kill us! She's gonna kill us all! Oh my god!
How was that?
She's gonna...
Was that super awesome? Yeah,
She's
zoom.
gonna kill us all!
She wasn't.
She was going to kill us all!
Okay.